Are you tired of working long hours for little pay? What if we told you there's a way to make money just by watching videos online? It sounds too good to be true, but stick with me, and we shall reveal a legitimate website that pays you to watch YouTube videos and ads. The best part? You can earn up to $2.85 every single minute. That's over $170 per hour just for watching videos from the comfort of your own home. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Let us introduce you to a game-changing website called WinThub.com. This platform has partnered with over 6,500 brands, including big names like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Nike, to provide you with a constant stream of videos to watch and get paid for. By allowing you to view their ads and content, these companies are essentially paying you for your attention and engagement. Here's how it works. Sign up for a free account on WinThub.com and immediately receive a $5 bonus just for joining. It's their way of welcoming you to the platform and giving you a little kickstart. Once you're logged in, you'll see a selection of 5 videos on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Each video has a different payout amount, ranging from 32 cents to 61 cents, depending on its length and the advertiser behind it. To start earning, simply click on the first video. You'll be shown a short ad, which you can close after a few seconds. Don't worry, you're not skipping out on the content you're being paid to watch. This is just a pre-roll ad that helps fund the platform. Then, the main video will begin playing. Here's the trick. You don't have to watch the entire video. After just 34 seconds, a complete button will appear under the video player. Click it, close any additional ads that pop up, and voila! The video is marked as completed, and you've earned your first payout. Refresh your dashboard, and you'll see your account balance has been updated with the amount you just earned. Repeat this process for the remaining 4 videos, and within a minute or two, you'll have pocketed up to $2.48. That's an incredible hourly rate for such a simple task. Now you might be thinking, but I can only watch 5 videos every 24 hours. How can I keep earning at that rate? That's an excellent question, and I have the perfect solution for you. The key is to create multiple accounts on WinThub.com. Thanks to a clever email trick, you can use variations of the same email address to sign up for as many accounts as you'd like. For example, if your email is videoguru@email.com, you can create additional accounts using video.guru@email.com, v.dioguru@email.com, and so on. All emails will still be delivered to your primary inbox, but WinThub will recognize them as separate accounts. With just 10 accounts, you could potentially earn $24.80 in a matter of minutes by watching the same set of 5 videos on each account. That's already a decent daily income for many people around the world. But why stop there? With a bit more effort, you could create dozens or even hundreds of accounts, exponentially increasing your earnings. And that's not all. WinThub also offers a referral program that pays you $1 for every new person who signs up using your unique referral link. This is where the real passive income potential lies. Head over to the referral section of your account and grab your personal referral link. Then, tap into the power of social media and online communities to share this opportunity with others. One effective strategy is to join Facebook groups related to making money online or working from home. Create a post with a compelling headline like, "I earned $80 from this site just by watching ads." Comment how below, and I'll send you the details. Attach a screenshot or proof of payment from WinThub to boost credibility. As people express interest and sign up through your referral link, your earnings will start piling up without any additional effort on your part. But don't stop there. Encourage your referrals to share their referral links, creating a snowball effect that can lead to thousands of new signups and a steady stream of passive income for you. With consistent effort and a bit of cleverness, it's entirely possible to generate $600 or more per day in passive income from WinTHUB's referral program alone. And the best part, you're not selling any products or services. You're simply sharing a legitimate opportunity to earn money by watching videos. To withdraw your earnings, simply navigate to the Withdraw section of your account once you've reached the minimum payout threshold. WinTHUB offers multiple withdrawal options, including PayPal, Western Union, and Payoneer, making it convenient for you to access your hard-earned cash. Now, we know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, let me address some common concerns. First, WinTHUB is a legitimate platform that has been operating for several years and has paid out millions of dollars to its users. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme or a scam. It's a legitimate way for companies to advertise their products and services while rewarding viewers for their attention. Second, while the earning potential is high, it does require some effort and dedication on your part. Creating multiple accounts and managing a successful referral network takes time and consistency. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be substantial. Third, it's important to remember that earnings from WinTHUB are considered taxable income in most countries. Be sure to keep accurate records and report your earnings appropriately to avoid any legal issues. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for WinTHUB.com today and start earning money by watching videos and ads from the comfort of your own home. With a little creativity and dedication, you could be well on your way to a steady stream of extra income or even a full-time online gig. Say goodbye to the traditional 9-to-5 grind and hello to financial freedom. That's all for now, folks. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more money-making strategies, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. We shall be back soon with more exciting opportunities to help you achieve financial freedom. Until next time, happy earning. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay up to date on my latest videos. And if you have any questions or success stories to share, leave them in the comments below. We read every single one, and we'll do our best to provide personalized advice or celebrate your wins. Let's build a community of online entrepreneurs together.